All right. Hey guys, so as you guys can see here, so this is one code, right? For what I call it, 7 segment. Okay, how you guys going to connect it? All right, so what you can do is that you can create a new Verilog file. So create a new Verilog file. So just okay. Now the module. So modules. The name of the module is gonna be, let's say, 2 7 segments, right? So okay, the input will be A and also B, and then the output will be first 7 segment, and then second 7 segment. Guys, this is not really 100% working code, right? I'm just going to show you the skeleton of it. Okay, so declare the type, right? So the input, which one is the input? So A, B, of course, A and B, it should be how many bits, guys? It's a BCD input, so it's gonna be
4.
correct. Okay, 4B. Okay, now the output. So this is your output, then you're going to connect it to your 7 segment display. How many output there for your 7 segment? It is 7. All right, so it's a 6 to 0. Okay, so let's copy this one. All right, copy. Okay, all right. So then work on your code inside here. So what you're gonna do is that, I mean, you're gonna apply the same discussion on the lecture here. All right, so this part, how you combine the file. Right, so you need to have wire, and then you have to call the function. So for an example, right? Okay, now the name here is lab3, right? So we call, okay, now you want to call it, let's say, first, and then lab3, which is the module name, right? Then do the connection. Right, so what's the connection? So you have to connect the wire. So the input is BCD, and then the output is seg. So only 2, right? So here is A, and then second one is this signal. Oh, first. What is first? Okay, it should be first. It's not first, right? AF. Okay, F. So happen when you type too fast, right? First. Okay. Alright, so first A, and then here is yeah, I think it's easy, right? It's just like that. So I mean, like, just connect the second module, right? So I mean, just follow the. I'm not gonna show you, I mean, like 100% working code, but that's how you're gonna do it, right? So then here you have two inputs here, A and B, and then this is your output, which is going to go to the first 7 segment, and here going to go to your second 7 segment. All right. So then your pin assignment, you have to assign this part, not this one anymore, right? The input of the output of this SEG anymore. So the output that you need to assign to 7 segment gonna be first 7 segment and also second 7 segment. If you guys look in the manual, right? So if you guys manual on the DE2 manual, right? So I think hex, they show like that, hex 0, is it hex 0 0, and then hex 0 1. I think it's something like that, right? So what does it mean is that this mean is this represent the first 7 segment, right? So the first 7 segment will have 7 signals. Then it will goes up until hex 0 until 6, right? And then it start with hex 1 0. So this represent the second 7 segment. So it's depend on how many 7 segment you have on board, then you have to follow it. So you have to check the pin. So for example, hex 0, so which one you're going to connect, which pin is that? So you're going to connect it to first 7 segment bit number 0. And then here, hex 0, look at the pin number. Let's say pin, this is just example, right? So let's say pin N7. So this has to be connected to bit 1 first 7 segment. Same goes for the second 7 segment. Right? So then you just simulate it. So for the simulation part, then what happened is that you're going to have 2 inputs. You're going to have A and you're going to have B. Right, so this is going to be your what do you call it, your simulation, for example. So this is first 7 segment, this is your second 7 segment, right? So let's say A is equal to 0 0 0 1, and then B is equal to 0 0 1 0. Look at the output here. So if it's 0 0 0, it becomes 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. If it is 0 0 1 0, which is equal to 2, it becomes 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. 4 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it's gonna be like this. So this is the signal that you guys gonna see when you simulate it. Wow. So it goes up here. Right, so this one here. X. Yeah, like that. Okay, guys. So I think that's hint that I can give you guys. Is it helping you guys? Or it's not? Yeah, yeah. First time missing because yeah, I'm not giving you the working code, right? So figure it out. I'm giving you just the skeleton, how you guys can do it, right? So you need to have another code that combine those two 7 segment, right? You can call it multiple times. So use this example here, to help you guys. Okay. Any more question, guys?
No, doctor.
No, doctor.
Okay, that's great. All right, thank you so much, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this subject. Okay, all right. So if you guys have any question, please let me know in the just through the WhatsApp. Right. Okay. See you guys next week. Bye bye.
Thank you, doctor.